How to type on Roblox wall. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to discuss about typing on Roblox wall. Let's get started. So first of all, what I want you to know is you have to first launch your favorite web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your account. Now to type on Roblox group wall, follow these steps. Click on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen and then select Groups. If you don't see the Groups option, go ahead and tap on Community. Choose the community or the group that you want to post on from the list. Now scroll down to find the group wall. Click on the Say Something box and then type in your message. For example, "Hi guys," or anything that you prefer. Now click on Post to publish your message on the wall. After that, you can also try deleting your post if you don't like it. Now, in order to delete your post, you need to click on the delete button next to it, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.